Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ama. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like, comment. This tutorial is going to be how to make this babe, how to make these nice braids. So as you can see, they look a little bit untidy, and this is exactly how I like them. And I'm just going to show you the few tips. I did this like at home 2 weeks ago, and I really like the way they're turning out to be now. So you guys, look how long and lovely my braids are. I'm really loving them. They are thin and all beautiful. I like how the color blend is blending the two darlings that I used. They're blending so well. So I used 3 different packs. As you can see, one pack is like extremely goldish brown and the other ones is the same pack. And before I do everything, I start by moisturizing my hair with almond oil and massage it properly just to keep it soft and manageable. I also do mix it with ginger oil. This helps especially for braids to avoid hair loss. So I just spread it evenly on my hair and massage it, and then I comb it. Then I start breaking the lines. This is what will actually help me to divide and section my hair properly. I then mix the 2 darling happies and then start braiding. So for short hair, to make a job easy for you, you can start by twisting it and then add the happies. So, but for me, I just wanted to do the job quickly, so I just started by braiding all together. You will have to be patient. This is not easy. So what is important is that you divide the happies into 3 sections and then you braid all the way down and keep on detangling it, because if you don't do that, it will lock. You just keep braiding all the way. As you can see, I braided all the way till the tips. I basically do the same thing for my whole head. Section it into 3 parts, divide it into 3 parts, and then your job will be easy after that. I promise you, your shoulders will be tired, but perseverance, right? You do the same on the other side. Yeah, and that's the final look. As you can see, guys, it took me 8 hours, so I actually finished the next day, but I'm loving it. I'm really loving my braids. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and try this look as well. Thanks, bye.